Hey dolls, this is a two-part video. In this first video, I'm gonna just do my eyes for y'all, and I'm gonna give y'all a little more details about the Slayy Beauties membership. A lot of people have been asking questions because they don't really understand, because it's something new. Not many other companies, have plans like this, and no one has anything like what we have because Diamond's special. So go ahead and stay tuned. I'm gonna let you check out. This is me lining my eyebrows after I've already shaded them in. I don't really have a lot of eyebrows, so I have to like draw eyebrows basically. I do have a very thin line. One of my eyebrows are getting a little thicker, being that I've been using my brow pomade. It seems to be making my brows grow. Like, I don't know, I don't want to say that it does that, but it seems to have been working pretty good. So check out that part and I'll be right back with you. Alright dolls, the Slayy Beauty membership. I'm gonna, give this to y'all in raw format. I'm not reading this, I'm just gonna give it to y'all raw. The Slayy Beauties membership, to me, is better than being PR, okay? Because we offer so many different benefits. Not just do we, give you free products. It's more than just free products, okay? All of our goals is to be noticed by bigger companies, okay? I'm the owner of Slayy Cosmetics, and I want to be a cover girl. You know what I'm saying? So, everybody has their own ending, their own goal that they're trying to reach. So with the Slayy Beauties membership, we are trying to help you reach that goal. We're all trying to reach, the same goal, in our lives, just in different ways. So with the Slayy Beauties membership, we also not just give you free products, we offer you free promotion, honey. We promote your YouTube channel, we promote your YouTube videos, we promote your Instagram, your Facebook, anything that you have as a beauty page, if it's a website, whatever, we promote that for you. That's what I do best, baby. A lot of you don't know, but prior to starting this cosmetic line and everything like that, I also am a businesswoman and I have a media company, so I know how to do the promotion thing, doll. Okay, so with the Slayy Beauties membership, not only are you getting products, you're also getting that promotion. We work with a special YouTube company that advertises, not just pops views up on your pages. That stuff gets your page locked down. I'm talking about ads, like Facebook ads. These are YouTube advertisements, okay? If you've ever watched, sit and watch YouTube videos, and sometimes the video will, in between a video or something like that, it'll actually force you to watch a video for like 13 seconds or something like that on YouTube. Those are paid advertisements. That's what we offer, okay? We do the social media promotion and all of that stuff too, but our ending goal is to build YouTube up for everybody, whether you have YouTube currently, or you want to get into YouTube, or you just want to build your following on your other media pages. It all can be done through YouTube. So a lot of ladies are saying to me that they are afraid to do videos and lives and things of that sort. So with the Slayy Beauty membership, you don't have to do that in front of people. You're just sitting there in your own privacy of your home with your camera in front of you, and just be yourself. Do your makeup, edit your videos. I suggest using Cinemaster, however you want to pronounce it. I will put that down in the link and spell it for you as well. But I recommend that because it's very beginner friendly. That's how I made this video here. You can add vocals, you can add music, you can add text, whatever you want to do. Okay, so editing the video is very, very, very easy. Okay, um once you do that, then you just submit the video to us and we'll take it from there. You know, we'll promote your Facebook page, your Instagram page, anything that you have if you do not have YouTube. If you do have a YouTube channel, however, we will promote your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos, all of that stuff from our Slayy Beauties page. Some of the great benefits of being a Slayy Beauty is you get 35% off of all of your personal purchases. That means anything on our website. I don't care if it's one of our $200 wigs. You get 300. 300. I am really tripping today. If it's a $200 wig, you can still get your 35% off just because you're a Slayy Beauty, okay? Not only will you get that, but every 35% off purchase that you make, you get tons of free gifts. Okay, and when I say tons, I mean tons. I go crazy with giving gifts because I like to see people's surprised look and how excited they are that they got stuff. So I love to give gifts. So that's where the free gifts and stuff like that comes in when you go and you look at the details on about the Slayy Beauty membership. You also will get cash compensation. That is something that we have just added. I'm really excited about that. Say for instance, you already a Slayy Beauty. If you know girls, which I know you do, because I know tons of women that are makeup artists that are doing their things, that are trying to get noticed by Crayon Case and Anastasia and all of these big companies. I know you know these ladies. Why not get $5 for that? You know what I'm saying? Just refer them to us. If they signed up as a Slayy Beauty, as a Slayy Beauty member, then you automatically get $5 sent instantly to your PayPal account. Simple, easy, just like pie. Everybody can use a little extra cash. I know $5 is not a lot, but if you save it, it builds up, baby. $5. And if you come up with like several ladies a day, can you imagine how much $5 can add up to be? Okay, so that's one of the major great things on top of the promotion that you get with the Slayy Beauties membership. Access to our new products. We send out emails when we release new products. We send out emails in order according to the list. Okay, so our Slayy Beauties list is at the top. If you are Slayy Beauty or you are on our potential PR list, you are going to know about our products before anybody else, before we release them. So that means your email will go out before anyone else's email will go out. That gives you the opportunity to purchase that product at your discounted 35% off rate, whether it's a pre-order product or it's an in-stock product, you still get 35% off, okay? Do not share that 35% off code with anyone. Okay, I'm going to give my voice a little break here. I'm going to let y'all go ahead and watch me shade in my crease with this black shadow. This is from my Ice Cream Dreamz palette. It is so beautiful. The black in the Ice Cream Dream palette is to die for. I'm trying to tell you. If you want that really dark pigmented matte black, then that is the perfect color for you, and it's in the Ice Cream Dreamz palette. Alright, dolls. Now, also with the Slayy Beauty membership, you get free mentorship. There are a lot of ladies here that are certified makeup artists as myself. We will also be offering classes, makeup classes, virtually and in person in whatever certified artist states. I'm here in Virginia. We have one other artist that is going to come on. She will be also doing classes. She's a Slayy Beauty. She will also be offering classes. These classes are offered to our Slayy Beauties at discounts. So let's say for instance, if it's a full face class and it's $150, you would only pay $75. That type of thing. So it'll be a little bit more than 35% off discount. Okay. Now on top of that, mentorship. Let's say, for instance, you have no idea how to edit a video. You've never edited a video a day in your life. I am here, okay? I am here for you. I am available on Facebook. If you look up my Facebook account, Diamond, MUA, Staves, which I will put here for you, the link down below so you can follow me or add me as a friend. If you message me there, that's the fastest way to get a reply, and I can help you. I can exchange phone numbers with you, and we can communicate and we can talk about how to edit your videos. We also have other MUAs that are willing to do that are Slayy Beauties. So just ask for help. All you have to do is ask for help. We're here for you. If you need help building your Instagram page, I have a lot of connections. I have a lot of websites where you can take free courses, free certifications to learn how to do things for yourself. I can show you also how to do certain things. I have a lot of experience in a lot of things. A lot of things. A lot of people say I do too much. There's no such thing as doing too much. There is a such thing as having multiple streams of income, and everyone should have that. If you have a gift, I believe God gave it to you and you should use it, whether it is one gift or if it's 20 gifts. You should use them at your own pace. Mentorship, we are going to, if you feel like you want to give up on makeup, never give up. Never give up. Never give up. I can't say that enough. Never give up. Okay? We're all learning. Even those of us that are certified, we are still learning, because it's just like driving. When you learn how to drive, they teach you to have your hands a certain way on the steering wheel. But once you get that driver's license and you learn how to drive, you drive the way that you're comfortable. It's the same thing with makeup. You learn the correct techniques when you go and get your certification or you go to class. But once you start doing it, you learn how to perfect your own techniques that is comfortable for you. The way that you hold your brush, the way that you apply your shadow, the way that you apply your transition color, where you apply it, when you apply it, that type of thing. All of those are different techniques, and that's where all these YouTube videos come in. So these are all good, helpful learning techniques as well. Also, as a Slayy Beauty and as a fan, you are welcome to check out our playlist, which will be coming up, which will give you tips on how to be a good PR. It'll give you the difference between what a brand ambassador, what a PR is, what a Slayy Beauty is. It's going to give you the difference between all of those. We're going to have a lot of little tutorials to help you be a better brand ambassador, not for just Slayy Cosmetics, but for other companies, larger companies, these bigger companies that are just out there looking for ladies, that can afford to actually just send out free products, like tons of free products to you girls. I myself, I am also a brand ambassador for several different companies, and I am an influencer. So I do several things just the same as you ladies do. So I understand. So we will have all of this going on the Slayy Beauties page, our channel on YouTube, and I really hope that you enjoy everything that we have coming for y'all in 2019. This is going to be the year of the women. We're going to take over. The beauty industry is going to boom even bigger than it was before. And our Slayy Beauties, we are at the top of the list. So what are you waiting for, ladies? Run on over there. check out more details, in more detailed description of what a Slayy Beauty is, the benefits, the requirements, those type of things. Check that information out on our website, and head over and sign up to be a Slayy Beauty, y'all. Check out Lakeisha and Alexis video here on the Slayy Beauties channel, giving you their perspective on the Slayy Beauties membership as well. Plus, go engage, check out the videos of the looks, the comment, share these videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google Plus. Share our videos, y'all. Show us some support. Support doesn't always mean money. Showing support to another sister only means, can only mean just a share, a comment, a like, throwing a heart down there. It doesn't mean monetization all of the time. So go ahead and do that. But on the other hand, we are taking donations. Donations for this site only is going towards paid advertisements for the videos, to help boost the channel. So y'all go ahead, check out everything, and I'm gonna shut up now, give y'all time to look at the rest of this beautiful look that I have going on here. So once I finish this, then I'm going to go ahead, and it's a second part to this video, and the second part is the facial part where I do my foundation, and I will be going into our 2019 raffle, which is going on right now, and it's valued at $450, y'all. So make sure you look at the whole video so that you can find out more information about that raffle. So stay tuned and look out for that foundation video, the second part to this look.